So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I wanted to test out a new idea that I had to go through a couple of updates that are going on within specific gig apps. Today I'm going to be talking about Walmart Spark because they've recently had a bunch of updates that have been rolling out over the past couple of weeks that you should know about if you are a Spark driver. And the first one is really exciting, so let's just dive right into the video and I'll share my screen so you can see exactly what I'm talking about in case you missed that email. Okay, so the first thing that's the most exciting is that they're updating the earnings screen so that tip earnings can be more transparent. Starting on September 8th, which was actually yesterday, it should be yesterday at the time that this video will be live, and you will be able to see a more transparent tip earnings experience, which basically means that you'll have greater visibility into unconfirmed tips as well as any tip adjustments that customers might make. You'll also be able to view unconfirmed weekly tips that are still pending in your confirmed weekly earnings. This will start to take effect on September 8th, 2022. So how do you get this? Just make sure that your app is updated to the latest version of the Spark Driver app. Here's what it's going to look like. You can see the confirmed weekly earnings, unconfirmed tips, and if you click into the unconfirmed tips, you can see where the unconfirmed tips are coming from and what order it was that had those unconfirmed tips. So if the customer did change the tip after delivery, the adjustments would show just like this, where the initial tip of $4 is crossed out and it's changed over to $3, and that's the final amount that you actually get. Also, confirmed tips will still roll over from the following week. So if, let's say, you delivered on Sunday and Sunday's tips were confirmed on Monday, you would see the earned tips amount on Monday once those 24 hours after the delivery was made. A few more updates in case you missed. Starting on August 17th, so last month, Walmart changed the canceled order earnings policy. And Spark is increasing the earnings that you receive if a customer cancels an order after you have already started shopping or delivering that order. Before, you were just paid $2.50 for a canceled order, but now those earnings will reflect more to how much effort you put into the order. So let's say that your order gets canceled before you start shopping or delivering it. It seems that you'll still get paid about $2.50 for that order. But if you were to start shopping an order, and let's say you were just about to check out, or if you were already on the way to deliver the order, the amount should be higher, but I haven't had this happen yet, so I can't attest to how much the actual increase in pay is. No, I didn't record the... Fuck. So the final thing that I want to talk about today is the Walmart Spark driver terms and conditions. They have recently changed and been updated. I will be making a whole entire video talking about the changes that have occurred on the Spark driver terms and conditions, as well as everything that you need to look out for and that you should be aware of as a driver. And just a little teaser for that video, it doesn't say anything about using airplane mode or anything like that, so stay tuned for that video and click the subscribe button and the bell button so that way you're notified when that video does come out, so that way you're informed about what you can and you cannot do as a Spark driver, so that way you don't get deactivated. But outside of those, it doesn't seem that there were any other updates that Walmart had over the past 2 weeks. But these updates are really exciting and they're good changes to the app, so I'm pretty happy with them. Let me know down in the comments below if you like these changes that Walmart's making to the app. Do you think that they're actually helpful to you? If you like this short video, please give this video a thumbs up and consider hitting subscribe if you would like to see more content like this. Also, thanks for watching to this point of the video. I'm so happy that I've grown to over 3,000 subscribers at this point, and I'm more than happy to give you guys all of the information that I'm learning about gig apps, so that way you guys can continue to be informed and make more money every single hour that you are doing gig apps. That's about all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. I will be doing an update on Instacart because there's a pretty frustrating change that is about to occur, and there's been some frustrating changes that have occurred, especially with like the cart situations. So watch out for that video, and also some new videos I'll be testing out of doing more lifestyle type videos, just to get to know me more and to talk about my life a little bit more and show you guys a little bit more behind the scenes and what goes on in my life. So if you're excited for those types of videos, please consider hitting subscribe and make sure that you ring that bell icon so that way you can get notified every single time I post a new video. But that's all for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.